All right, my itty-bitty kitty cat, bath time! Oh, come on, you know that doesn't work on me. And that doesn't either. Regular cats can't do that, silly. Look, I'm sorry I'm being a little obsessive, Catnap, but I can't help it! You're too cute like this! Aw, who's a good kitty? You are, aren't you? Sweet little...
Dog Day!
Catnap.
Meow? Okay, fine. I pretended I was a normal cat because I wanted to sleep all day. I thought everyone would just leave me alone. But of course, you big-hearted bozos thought I was in trouble and kept me awake the whole time. Like you always do.
Catnap, you know if you wanted to take a day off, you could have just told us. We were all worried sick. I'm just glad you're okay.
I'm sorry I scratched you.
Don't worry about it. It's not like you ripped off my legs or something.